Continue to stay on with the developments around the Tarun Tejpal sexual assault case, where the victim in a fresh statement has said that what he did to her quantifies as rape as far as the new anti-rape laws are concerned. And that statement coming just minutes before Tarun Tejpal arrived at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. It was our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami who got us those details. Take a listen.
Well, absolutely, and we know I've been speaking to a lot of women activists and lawyers, and they have told me that Tarun Tejpal is now toast. This is exactly what they said. As far as legally the whole matter is concerned, they say Tarun Tejpal has no defense left because the victim has herself come forward. The victim has herself come forward and said that what Tarun Tejpal did to what Tarun Tejpal did to her was rape. And they have said that now that she has come forward and said that, and that she has said that this is actually a test case on how the law deals with victims of rape as per the new definition of the law of rape post-Nirbhaya. They said that now the legal system will really, have very few answers. And she says repeatedly that this law should be applicable to everybody. In other words, the rape victim is now directly taking on Tarun Tejpal, saying he is the wealthy, he is the powerful, and he is the well-connected. And this law of rape will be useless and meaningless if it is applied only to faceless strangers who are not connected, who are not powerful, and who are not wealthy. Because that will really show the utter and complete hypocrisy in the application of the law of rape. And she has also not just said that, she has said that some of the cases of rape within the family and rape in custody present big challenges. And in this case, taking on Shoma Chaudhary, she has directly accused Shoma Chaudhary of being part of that whole cover-up. And having made such a strong plea, which I'm sure the court and the police will also have to now look into, all attempts by Mr. Tarun Tejpal here to present himself as a victim end this horrible and childish game of hide and seek that Tarun Tejpal has been trying to play, not just with the law, but with his own conscience, not just with the police system, but with the own codes of morality, which he and adamantine feminists who have worked with him have held themselves accountable to. I think really right now, this latest statement of the victim, where she says that I am fighting to preserve nothing except for my integrity and my right to assert that my body is my own. By filing a complaint, I have exposed myself to personal and slanderous attack, and she says, I know it will not be an easy battle. But the statement of the victim is an appeal to the entire system that if it lets Tarun Tejpal get away in this particular case with a kind of long rope, which unfortunately he has been able to get, given his powerful and well-connected battery of lawyers. The victim says Tarun Tejpal raped me. I can assure you, Anand, this is the end of Tarun Tejpal's legal defense. Neither Ryan Karanjawala, nor Ms. Luthra, nor any other of the top lawyers of Delhi will be able to get him past this one, because the victim herself now says there is absolutely no contradiction between what she said the first time and what she is saying now. She is not a lawyer, but the lawyers around should be able to understand the import of a whole statement. And she also says here that the whole suggestion that she was acting at someone else's behest are only the latest depressing indications that sections of our public discourse are unwilling to acknowledge that women are capable of making decisions about themselves for themselves. So the victim in this case has really raised the level of this entire debate and said it is not about me or Tejpal. It is about whether the new law of rape applies equally to all.
All right, at this point, we're also joined in by Kavita Srivastava, a very strong voice on women's rights. Ms. Srivastava,